The side handle gives you additional leverage to control your tool. Side handles are typically used on sanders, grinders, or drills. On a drill, it provides a second grip, so the drill is easier to control, especially if the drill bit binds while drilling. Replacing the side handle is simple to do, and I'll show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Replacing the side handle is a very simple repair. First, unscrew the side handle to release the clamp. Then I slide the side handle away from the collar on the drill. To install the new side handle, first I'll release the clamp, then slide the side handle onto the collar. I want to make sure it's tight against the shoulder. When I have it in position, I just tighten the handle to clamp it in place. And that's how simple it is to install a new handle assembly on your drill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.